Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, you will learn how you can make $1,000 a day using things that you already own. And for that, you don't need your own website, you don't need experience, you don't need technical skill. Literally, every beginner can do it. But before we begin, let me tell you about a little story about this particular video. Oh, by the way, in this system, if you need any software, that software will be my software, and that's 100% free. Link is in the description. Don't go there right now, you can go there later. But let's talk about what I was talking about, and it's totally related. It's a little story about this video. You can see this video is shot in a different place other than my regular studio. Why? Because I'm traveling at the moment and I don't have my regular gears like my camera, my big cinematic light setup, background studio, absolutely nothing at all. And I don't even have a noise-proof room to shoot my videos. So how did I manage to shoot pretty much similar quality videos? Knowledge. Well, I did not use anything special, although I don't have my gears, I don't have my studio, but I have basic knowledge about what I need to shoot professional looking videos. So for that, I know that I need large light. I need soft light, that is a large light placed very close to my face. I need background, I need some background lights or backlights, and these are the two lights, one light here, another light here are the two lights I am carrying with me. They are portable and small, and I have my microphone here. I have a very tiny little, the cheapest possible vlogging camera with me that I'm carrying with me. If not, I could have used my phone. All I needed was the big soft light. Did you like our video? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you the first when we will upload our next video. Now, because I know the basics, I simply spent $30 and built a soft light. So what I have done is I went to electrical shops. I asked them to put 4 big LED lights on a piece of board and connect a cable with them. That board has a hook that I can place it on the wall, and that is it. I will show you that in a moment. Alright, so that's it. Now, why did I do this? Because I wanted to deliver my content before you with the best quality possible by me at the moment. What I had was everything I needed. What I did not have was excuse. So that is it. If you really want to deliver and build relationship, drive traffic, build a community, build followers, and finally actually make money online, then you need to stop showing excuses and deliver as much quality as possible, the highest possible quality. Sounds good? Okay, let's jump in. So here's what happened. It's very interesting. I saw this video ad on Facebook. It's a 28 seconds video ad, and it says learn everything you need to know about the Sony ZV-1. Now, what's interesting about this is, as a YouTuber, I have a mindset that people only want to learn everything free. But interestingly, it's a course about a product that costs you $648 on Amazon. Interesting, right? So they made a course on a paid product. So first, if you own this camera, only then you will want to buy this course just to learn how to use this camera. On the other hand, you can buy this course for $37 just to learn whether this $648 camera is worth it or not. So this targeting is quite interesting. Either they know that it works, so they built a course and selling it using Facebook ads, or they're just trying it out. They're just checking whether it works or not. Now, isn't this video is about how you can make money? Yes, you are going to make money from what you already have, and you don't need your own website, you don't need skill, you don't need investment. Continue watching and I will show you how. So here we go, step by step. Go to YouTube and search with the main keyword and look for how many videos and how many views they're getting in how much time. So look at the first video, it got 69,000 views in 1 year, and another video got 1.4 million views in 1 year, another got 134,000 views in 1 year, so another 108,000 views in 1 month. These are all decent numbers. So let's look at Ubersuggest or any other keyword research tool and search with the main camera keyword, camera name as a keyword, and you will see they have decent searches, not really super high but decent searches, and SEO difficulty is super high, which means people are competing with this keyword. And a lot of people are actually looking for information. Now I looked at Udemy about other courses on Udemy, but I didn't find any super good results, which means it's a good thing and it's a bad thing at the same time. Good thing is there are no other competitors. Bad thing is it doesn't mean that this course will actually sell. But here is a good thing. Look at their course page. Okay, the first of all, they are asking you at the pop-up for your email address. Look at this. They're asking your email address. In exchange, they're going to get $15 off. The course is $37. I will show you in a moment how easy it was to build, and literally anyone can do this using my software, link in the description. But look at this, they are first asking you for your email address, which is super awesome, because getting your email address means knowing you, and then with follow-up emails they will sell you more. They will build relationship with you, they will build friendship with you, and they will market their other products, other contents to you, which is the basics of internet marketing, and everyone should do that. In case you are not doing it, list building is hard for you, link in the description will give you my software that will turn any PDF into your opt-in page or lead magnet and will drive you viral referral traffic, 100% free. You don't need opt-in page like this, you don't need pop-up like this, you don't need lead magnet like this. We use it and it's super easy and it's 100% free. Go get it from the description. And regular headline, regular description, and it's just 1 hour of learning. Look, a YouTuber makes 10 to 12 minutes video for YouTube 100% free, and they are giving you only a couple of YouTube videos for $37. This is super interesting. All of these information are available for free on YouTube. Now, why are they selling? Because people are buying. Look at the videos. The maximum length of a module is 19 minutes 30 seconds, which is camera settings. If anyone, literally anyone, just provide a walkthrough of a camera settings, it will be 19 minutes or even 37 minutes without even knowing how the time passed, because there is so much to discuss. But the other informations are all available on YouTube. So they just selected the most viewed topics, most asked questions, and turned those videos into modules, which were 100% free. Don't worry, don't go. In case you are allergic to videos, in case you don't know how to shoot videos, or in case you don't want to create courses, because my software will do everything for you and the software is for free. Link in the description, go get it. Stay tuned till the end. I will show you how you can make money using this technique right now without paid traffic that they are using. Now let me show you money. For money you need sales, and for sales you need traffic. Here is traffic. 101 million monthly visitors on udemy.com. Now wait, don't go to Udemy yet. Let me show you something interesting. Udemy has 60% direct traffic. This traffic already visit Udemy every single day because they love Udemy. Either they know about Udemy, or they are creators, or they are existing customers. They keep buying. 23% of the 101 million monthly visitors are search traffic, which means these are the people who search for courses online and they find Udemy courses and they purchase, and the course creators and Udemy both make money. Finally comes social traffic, email traffic, and display ad traffic. All these traffic are generated on your behalf, on creators' behalf, by udemy.com. Another interesting thing, a lot of people search for Udemy directly on Google and they visit Udemy. So here is what happens when people visit Udemy. I am on Udemy as a regular visitor. When I browse and go down below, what do I see? These are the courses being promoted by Udemy. These are the courses Udemy is confident to show to a new visitor. Now, what do you think is most attractive here? The most attractive are the thumbnails, of course, the headline, of course, but there is one more thing: the number of reviews and the ratings. You see, all these courses have high ratings and a huge number of reviews. Now let's say I go inside and I'm just checking out a course, just like a regular visitor. Halfway, I would see students also bought. These are being promoted by Udemy. Why? Because they have huge reviews, high rating, and a lot of students. Again, show more, you'll see more numbers. It's all about numbers. So here is how you start. First, I'm assuming you hate creating videos. You hate creating courses. If that is the case, link in the description will give you a software that will write script for you, that will give you voiceover, and that will help you make your video modules and courses without you writing anything, speaking anything, or ever being on the camera. And it's 100% free. Now that part is gone. Now go to Udemy and search with the keyword free. You will have hundreds of, basically 10,000 results and more about free courses. Now you might be saying, why would I create a course and give away for free? Because a lot of people are looking for free, and you can give away a free course and present yourself as an authority in the topic and attract thousands of visitors. Now, my personal recommendation is don't try to sell immediately. Instead, try to build a following without being pushy, without adding too much call to action. Just give away free, show your name, show your social media accounts, show how you help others and your contents, give away good information, and people will automatically follow you. Now, when you get a lot of good reviews and higher rating, you can either start charging for your course, or you can keep one or couple of courses 100% free just to attract students and sell the rest of your courses. Example, this person. This course is free and it has got 30,953 ratings, average 4.6, super awesome, and it has got 516,490 students. But look at his profile. He has 5 other courses. Only one is free and all 4 others are paid. And all of them have got thousands and thousands of sales. Got the point? So give away one free and sell the rest. But remember one thing, you have to give away the best of the best information to build your authority so your free students become confident to spend money on your other courses. Now, where will you get information from? YouTube and Google. And if you are making a course on something that you already have, that can be your camera, your microphone, that can be anything that people are searching for help with, and make your course. Now, how will you optimize your course so Udemy search and Google search will rank your course higher so customers or visitors can find your course first? Number 1, search engine optimization. For that, go to Google and search for rank Udemy course kind of keyword, and you will find valuable articles like this one that will show you how you can rank your courses on Udemy. Now, the beginning will be a little hard because no one knows you, you don't have any reviews, you don't have any students, you don't have any rating. So the beginning will be kinda like searching for a keyword or your targeted keyword, look for free courses being given away, and then open those courses and search for which keywords they're using on titles, in the subtitles, in the description, and in the course content, and create similar and better course. Use those keywords and make sure your course copy and description is optimized for search engines. Again, I told you the beginning could be a little hard, but once you start getting found on search engines and on Udemy search, and you start giving away your course for free, people will start finding your courses. And I'm assuming your course content will be super awesome. They will leave high rating, and those ratings and reviews will push your course higher and higher on Udemy searches and so on Google searches, and you will start getting organic traffic, organic visitors, and you will find organic customers in the method I showed you before. So that is it. Use what you have and make courses. To make courses and course modules, use my software, link in the description, 100% free. Make your course, optimize your copy using awesome articles, tips and tricks like this, and give away your courses for free. And once you start getting high ratings and reviews, start selling your courses. I would say start selling from the beginning and try your best to get the best of the best ratings and reviews by giving away the best of the best information. For information, Google and YouTube are more than enough. I wish you all the best. Go make as much money as you want. Did you like our video? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know that you are the best person to notify when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.